Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the best spot for the brick fishing event in Heartopia. So here is where it is on the map. You are going to stand on this rock, and I basically just used my Mermaid attractor and the perfume as well. And the reason why is that there will be more brick fishes than the normal fishes in this area. In my opinion, I've gotten more brick fishes in this area than the rest. I keep on getting just the sardines and the tunas, but I get more clownfish in this area. So you're just going to fish here to get the most. I even got the 5 stars for the colorful brick fish, like the brick clownfish. So you're just gonna want to fish here for the best results, I guess. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!